I'm going to show you quickly how to play the game YAPYAP. So first you want to load into the lobby, and once you're in, you can basically invite your friends from this room right here by interacting with this orb and inviting your friends from the Steam overlay. And once they join you, you can go back to this spot right here. And once all are in, you can interact with this orb, and this should start a countdown and teleport you in the game level. And once you load into the game level, you won't be able to invite or join friends anymore here. Now once the game starts, you can go solo or co-op and press G button on your keyboard to bring up the contract and see what quests you'll need to do. It usually asks you to burn and break things to gain chaos points, as you can see here. And on the top left, you should see the time left for this run. And on the top right, the accumulated points or the vandalism points. And then you can start exploring the rooms and breaking things and finishing the quests. And keep in mind that the tower is filled with creatures that will hunt you down, and you won't be able to escape until you meet the vandalism target or quota. You can also use your spells using the voice chat or use items from the quick bar on the bottom right by pressing 1, 2, and 3 on your keyboard, as you can see. And you should finish your quests and gain as much as possible points to meet the quota, as you can see. If you destroy things, it gives you points, and you should finish these two. And then you should accumulate the quota and escape as soon as possible before the time runs out and the danger overtakes the tower. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you on the next one.